A South African tyre recycling company is breathing new life into the phrase where the rubber meets the road. Crumb rubber made by the Mathe Group from recycled radial truck tyres is being used to build new roads and upgrade some of the country's busiest highways. The company says the process not only gets rid of environmentally harmful rubber tyres but also creates more durable roads. CGTN's Julie Shire reports.
South Africa's road network is the largest on the continent, stretching for about 750,000 kilometers. Most tarred roads are made from crude-based bitumen, which is in short supply. Now the country has added rubber crumb to the mix, and it's proving to be a hit.
The utilization of rubber crumb in roads has been really pioneered in South Africa since the first road was developed around about 1983 in Cape Town. But it's been used extensively, especially since we started manufacturing at this facility in 2016. And going forward, we're looking at much higher volumes as more infrastructure project development takes shape in South Africa.
High levels of congestion, heavy-duty vehicles and harsh weather conditions raise a need for extensive maintenance and upgrades. The innovative product produces this need and cuts down the amount of bitumen needed.
It has a lot of benefits from an anti-cracking perspective, and also in South Africa you know that you have such high temperature variations which can damage roads. It's also better from an acoustics perspective. When you're driving over a road that's been manufactured or utilized with rubber crumb, you can see it has a lot of acoustic benefits. There's less noise and less impact on the environment.
The use of rubber crumb has also given rise to an entirely new industry centered around recycled tires, including exports to neighboring countries.
It's an ever-growing market into different areas, but from indoor markets, from domestic, from commercial, is already growing. There's a lot of values. I just think people maybe haven't used or don't know of those benefits as much. And I think as this market grows, the education will get better.
The eco-friendly innovation is set to keep growing.
Mathe works closely with the government on the tire waste management program and has received further funding to expand operations. In the last 8 years, the company has kept 1 million tires from being dumped into landfill and created dozens of jobs with an alternate industry. Julie Shire, CGTN, Cape Town.